Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Get.io. It's a straightforward process. Start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the wallet section. From there select withdraw under spot or funding. Choose USDT as the asset you want to send. For example, select USDT and opt for a crypto network transfer. Next, head to Get.io and go to the deposit section. Look for chain-based deposits and search for USDT. Select the network you want to use like Ethereum or Tron. Once the network loads, you'll see your wallet address appear in seconds, about 17 in my case. Copy this address carefully, return to Binance and paste the copied address into the withdrawal field. Ensure the network matches the one you selected earlier like arbitrary network. For testing, you could send 100 USDT. Wait a few seconds for the address to load on Get.io again, then copy and paste it back to confirm. Hit withdraw and your funds will arrive on Get.io shortly. That's it. If this guide helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on more crypto tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future content. Thanks for watching.